Revolutionize your driving experience with the 12.32-DIN Android Car Radio Multimedia DVD player, designed specifically for Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. 150 models from 2018 to 2023. Never get lost again with the built-in navigation module. Download navigation maps through the Google Store and enjoy a multi-language interface for ease of use. Bluetooth functionality. Stay connected with hands-free calling and wireless music streaming via the built-in Bluetooth module. Connect your mobile phone effortlessly and enjoy the convenience of Bluetooth call and Bluetooth audio. Carplay and Android Auto compatibility. Seamlessly integrate your mobile device with the head unit via Bluetooth or USB data cable. Access your favorite apps, music, videos, and maps directly on the Android player for added convenience and entertainment. Built-in Play Store. Access a world of apps and entertainment with the built-in Play Store. Download your favorite applications, including YouTube, Facebook, Google Maps, and more, directly onto the head unit for endless entertainment options. Radio tuning. Enjoy your favorite AM, FM, RDS radio channels with ease. Tune in to the channels you love and elevate your driving experience with crystal clear audio quality. Rear dual USB ports. Connect external devices with ease using the rear dual USB ports. Whether it's a driving recorder, audio USB disc, or other peripherals, the dual USB ports offer convenient connectivity options. DSP sound effect adjustment. Customize your audio experience with 48-segment X sound effect adjustment, ensuring optimal sound quality for every journey.